I came across this power bank while I was browsing this Itel power bank. I don't know why people aren't talking so much about it, but it's been in the market for a very long time. This is the Itel 60,000 mAh in partner with Greennew. It's like a 60,000 portable high capacity power bank, but it's 22 watts, just like every normal power bank. It has solar option, like you can charge it using solar, you can charge it using your USB, you can charge it like input output, type C, iPhone, USB, any choice. You can charge the power bank using it. It comes with a type C cord and just some protective layers of foams to protect the power bank, so we can see nothing else in the box. That'll be all for today. Bye.